Alright, welcome to the second day of Secondary Math 1, our first real content day. These are the notes for our 0 unit, our unit 0, Introduction to Exponents and Polynomials. You should have this packet in front of you, and this should be your first page. If you do not have this first page, please make sure you pause the video and get this stuff now. Alrighty. So this front page is what we call an objective tracker. You'll notice over here on the side here, it's got a section, right? Section. In this chapter, it's only got 2 sections. The first one's about exponents. The second one's about operations on polynomials, and that's what we're going to be talking about. You may be wondering, okay, well, exponents have a lot of stuff in them, right? So exponents have a lot of different things we could do with those. So what exactly are we going to be doing? Well, that's explained over here in objectives. Objectives tell you what is happening in the chapter. So today we will be talking about what exponents are, explaining what an exponential expression is, and then we'll be talking about rules for combining exponents as well. And those are all listed for you here. The next column over is just for you. It's a personal rating from 1 to 5, how well do you think you know each objective. I like to save those for right before the test, right? And you can use that to kind of rate yourself. Okay, I know what an exponent is, so 5. I don't really know what the product rule is, so a 1. Or maybe I kind of know what the quotient rule is, so a 3. Stuff like that. And then the last column right over here is vocab and concepts. If you forgot, if you know all of these, then you should, and I'm going to say should because it's not a guarantee, but you should be able to get a good score on the test. The most important part for this sheet, though, is right here. Assignments. This is where all of your assignments for the whole section will be listed. So if you put all the sections together, you've got all the assignments for the whole chapter. For example, the homework tonight will be the exponential rules worksheet. So that will be what the homework is. And notice there's a handy dandy little box next to it, so when you finish you can check it off. And that's what that's for. So if you were absent today, you can check that out. You can also check out Canvas. You can check out, you can come ask the teacher, you can look in the absent folder, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. But the first place you should go is to look on the objective tracker sheet, because that will have the homework listed there. And 9 times out of 10, I will also, in this space down here, usually leave some important announcements like Unit 1 test is ... or whatever. Like wherever or whenever Unit 1 tests are. If we have other things coming up, this is where I'll usually put announcements, just for time's sake. If I'm in class, if I am not in class, I will probably just have the sub tell you them. So you do need a planner. You still need that planner. Okay, so that's the objective tracker. Now